when he established the heavens, I was there. If you seek me with all your heart, you will find me.
Is anytime anything wrong happened, it must be these Christians.
The way of life and the way of death.
But Polycarp said, no, I've served the Lord all this time. I'm not going to turn my back on him now.
Irenaeus gartotes aonio kolasseos tisas ebesi terumenon pier.
Early Christians understood there was something really distinctly different about the Eucharist.
In Christ, we have the only salvation we could possibly have.
Usque ad mortem.
Usque ad vitam.
Quis Deus est?
It's not a safe thing, actually, to be a Christian.
I mean, one of the things Jesus could have done is Jesus could have himself written a gospel, but he doesn't.
To conform our lives to Christ more radically and to follow suit by grace.
Only what has died can be raised to the new life.